the vegan larder. So today we have a really lovely recipe for you. It's a really good Halloween recipe, and it also happens to be a really good way to use up leftover risotto. These are our little arancini ball jack-o'-lanterns, and now we've got to show you how to make it. And I'm excited.
And you can get the kids involved with this.
Yes, it's a brilliant kids thing to do.
Very kid-friendly.
Very kid-friendly indeed. Yeah, and cute. Yeah. All right, let's show you how to do it. So all you need for the arancini balls is some risotto, some panko breadcrumbs, some leftover butternut squash, which we're going to mash up. We're going to add some nutritional yeast in them for a cheesy surprise in the middle. And to make their little faces, we've got some olives, which we're going to cut up into cute little jack-o'-lantern faces. So let's get started. So we have some leftover squash. That's going to make the inside filling of our arancini balls. I have a few leftover bits of garlic, so I'm going to squash those in too. Why not? Why not indeed? Extra garlicky goodness. One more, I think. Extra gooey goodness. On my fingers. Now, I'm going to dump all of this cheesy nutritional yeast in, and I'm going to start to mash it. There we go. Just give it all a really good mash when it's quite combined. And so then you squeeze it into the middle of the arancini balls. Now guys, we're about to get messy. This is going to be fun. Right, nice and mashed. Right. I'm just going to chop up these olives into little mouth and eye shapes, and they'll make our little faces. So there's a mouth, some eyes, the little mouth, oops, and some eyes. Cool, you can see where we're going with that. So we can put them aside for the moment. We'll create some more, and then we'll show you how to make the arancinis. Right, so while Vanessa gets on with making some more little faces for us, I'm going to show you how to make the arancini. So you get a big spoonful of the risotto, leftover risotto, make sure it's cold and that your hands are clean. And put a spoonful of this ooey gooey, cheesy pumpkin mixture in the middle. Like that. And then use your hands to close it over the top so you've got a ball with some gooey, pumpkin-y, cheesy stuff on the inside. Now risotto rice is nice and sticky, so you don't need any other sticking agents. All you need to do is now roll your arancini balls into some panko breadcrumbs. If you are gluten-free, you could use gluten-free breadcrumbs, or you could use sesame seeds. That also is quite nice as well. Right, there you go, all nice and rolled. So the next step is to grab an eyeball, a little mouth. Can you see where I'm going with this? Hello, you stick there please. And then another little eyeball. I'm ready for the oven. Now, the last thing you need to do is to get a little bit of olive oil and just brush it on your new little friend. There you go. How cute's that? Just keep repeating and then you'll get as many as you need. So let's keep going with that. Montage, please. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil all over their little faces. You know, it's a bit like sunscreen. Put them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want them to be quite warm on the inside. And then we can eat them. Right. Oh, look at them all, fresh out of the oven. Look at their little smiley faces.
Cute! Ready for Halloween!
Yes. Oh, come on.
Pick him up.
Look.
Yes! This is great for adults and kids.
Yeah.
Suitable for both.
Oh, they're so cute. So I hope you like our arancini jack-o'-lantern ball recipe. Make sure you give us a like, make sure you give us a share, and please subscribe to our channel. I'm Louise, this is Vanessa, and we're from the Vegan Larder.